Podi Sesame potatoes. These are baby potatoes tossed with milagai podi and sesame seeds. It makes for an excellent appetizer. You can also serve it as a side dish with your meals. It gets made quickly and is quite delicious. So let us have a look at the recipe. In a pressure cooker, add around 18 baby potatoes. Add 2 to 3 cups of water. Add salt as per taste. And pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. While ensuring that the potatoes retain their firmness, the potatoes should not turn mushy. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain the water and allow the potatoes to cool down. Once cooled, peel the potatoes. If you want to explore more recipes using baby potatoes, I am leaving the link for the same in the description box below. Prick all the potatoes using a fork. This is done so that they absorb all the flavors well. Now add a tablespoon of milagai podi and coat the potatoes with it. The recipe for milagai podi is given in the description box below and also in the I button that is at the top right hand corner of this video. Now heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, few curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of milagai podi. Saute this for few seconds. Next add the podi coated potatoes. Give it a nice mix so that each and every potato is coated with the sesame seeds. Add salt as per taste and mix it again. Turn off the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This gives a nice flavor to the dish. Now garnish with chopped coriander leaves. So Podi Sesame potatoes are ready to be served. You can serve this as an appetizer or as a side dish with your meals. If you liked the video, please press the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you try this recipe, please leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.